Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Somewhere here you will find battery saver, which should be added by default, but if you don't see it, you can click right here on this pencil. And let's just pretend that the data saver is our battery saver. You'd grab it, text right here changes, and you just drag it over the top, drop it, and now you have access to it on one of the pages. Anyway, once you see this toggle, simply press on it. It gives you a pop-up, so turn on battery saver to extend battery life. Battery saver will turn on dark theme, turn off or restrict background activity, some visual effects, and other features like Hey Google. Now there's probably one very important thing that's going to be happening in this mode, which isn't necessarily stated in here. So let's select turn on first. There we go. And what that is if you use things like, or rely more like on Wi-Fi and mobile data to be enabled all the time, I don't know if this is the case right here, it wasn't mentioned in any way, most battery savers tend to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is in sleep mode. And just to clarify this would be sleep mode. So once you're not using the device, it will go into sleep mode and disconnect from Wi-Fi, mobile data, and therefore you wouldn't be getting any kind of updates from applications. So no notifications from apps that require any kind of internet connection. And to some people, this might just kind of deter them from actually using it because they might rely on internet connection to be permanently on. Now there's two circumstances. Either the power saving mode will reconnect every so often to network to see if it's missing any kind of notifications, or it just won't till you actually interact with the device. So in either case, for some people this will completely make the power saving mode a no-go. And for those people, I have other options that you can try doing. They might not be as efficient, but obviously if you can't have any kind of delay in notifications that are delivered to you, this will be the only thing that it can do. So anyway, disabling power saving mode, the things that you can change to save a little bit of your battery would be, for instance, turning off location, turning off auto rotate, though this one probably won't have much impact. Bluetooth, obviously if you're not using it, get rid of it. In terms of Wi-Fi and mobile data, only keep one that you need, turn off the other one that you don't. If you're outside of your house and you're not connected to Wi-Fi, just turn it off. And then let's see if we have also NFC. So we do have NFC. I believe by default NFC is turned on, so you might need to just add it here and then disable it. Now it is turned off for me. And last thing is, if you tend to use your device quite often, have the screen on, the biggest battery saver for the screen on will be your brightness. So dropping it from max to like half will yield you several additional hours of battery life. So that is one of the best ways you can preserve battery. But keep in mind, this will only affect the screen on, and if you lock it like this, it means nothing. So, and one more thing that you can change is the always on display. If you use that, turn it off. And you can do that by going into the settings, and it should be somewhere, let's see. I guess I'm gonna search for it, might be quicker. There's nothing here. So it looks like we don't have any kind of always on, but we do have under screensaver, we have clock. So you can turn that off if you want to. This is the clock that you see right here. So anyway, this would conclude this video. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.